Look at this. Never seen such an incredible man. Just because he wasn't getting along with his mother-in-law at home, he stormed off in anger and built himself a house deep in the mountains. His wife searched for him for months without success. When she finally found him, she couldn't believe he had built a house here and was living a carefree, leisurely life. His wife could hardly believe her eyes and actually wanted to stay and live there with him. Truly unbelievable. The entire house was built among 3 large trees, not only very well hidden, but also warm in winter and cool in summer, making it the perfect hideaway from the world. The man and his wife had been married for 7 or 8 years, but had always lived together with his mother-in-law. The two of them frequently had conflicts, often arguing over small things. So the man was deeply troubled and truly couldn't stand his mother-in-law's personality and temper. After yet another argument with her one day, he stormed off into the mountains and built this house himself. Now let's watch how he built it step by step. The process is quite remarkable. We guarantee that after watching the entire build, you will be amazed by his construction skills. True masters are found among the people. By this step, the exquisite house was complete. Although the video is only a few minutes long, in reality, this man spent 7,746 hours to complete this project. So let's all show our appreciation for craftsmen. Your support is our motivation to keep creating. Thank you so much. What do you think of this house? If the full score is 100 points, how many would you give it?